Ever pondered on the process of downloading and installing XMRig? Well, today we're diving into a step-by-step guide that will help you understand and execute this task seamlessly. Firstly, navigate to the XMRig GitHub releases page. Here, you'll find a list of all the releases available. Your goal is to locate the latest stable release, often found at the top of the list. Once located, go ahead and click on it to expand. Secondly, it's time to download the correct version. Since we're using a Windows operating system as our example, look for the Windows version and download the zip file named xmrig xxx x64 zip, where XXX represents the version number. The third step involves extracting the zip file. Once your download is complete, locate the zip file, right-click on it, and select Extract All to unveil its contents. Fourth, open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find the XMRig executable file labeled as xmrig.exe. Optionally, before running XMRig, you might want to configure it to connect to a mining pool and specify your mining settings. This typically involves editing the config.son file using a text editor like Notepad. Next, run XMRig. Do this by double-clicking on the xmrig.exe file. XMRig will start mining using your CPU according to the configuration you've set. You will see output in the terminal or command prompt window showing your mining progress. There you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed XMRig. Now you can start mining. After launching XMRig, monitor your mining progress from the output information about your hashrate, accepted shares, and connection to the mining pool. If you haven't already configured XMRig to connect to a mining pool, you can do so by editing the config.son file in the XMRig folder. Once XMRig is running and configured, it will automatically start mining using your CPU. Keep an eye on your computer's performance, including CPU usage and temperature. Make sure your computer stays within safe operating limits to avoid overheating or other issues. Periodically, check your mining pool's dashboard or website to see your mining results, including the number of shares submitted and any rewards earned. You can usually access this information by entering your wallet address on the mining pool's website. In conclusion, we've walked through the process of downloading and installing XMRig, configuring it to connect to a mining pool, starting the mining process, and monitoring your mining progress and results. Remember, if you need to use your computer for other tasks, you can always stop mining. Happy mining!